hi. Oh, you're lopsided. What are you doing lopsided, guys? Move over so you be straight. There. Yeah, sorry about the light. Eating late today. And maybe one or two questions, maybe. Okay, let me see. Sorry, I'd rather, see, now that I've gotten used to looking at you and eating, I would rather look at you and eat than not. Maybe I got something else to prop the box up on. Hang on. Okay, don't move. Okay, let's see how this is gonna do. Okay, there. That's gonna do right fine. Move. Medicare. Okay, there you go. Fish and chips. Yeah, a girl been working, y'all. No time for eyebrows or hair or nothing. I'm expecting bins. Storage bins. So I've been trying to get that office cleaned out since my last closet is cleaned out. I just want to get it done. Make room for prosperity to grow. Where am I? Am I over there today? Let me see. I'm over here today. Okay. How do I do that? Oh, different tripod. Put it on upside down. Decided to get these this time. So Instacart just delivered my food. They're good. I forgot who they're by, but they're good. Okay, let me leave that there. Let's see how this tastes. This isn't my normal kind. So let's see. Looks good. Yep. I wanted fish and chips. Well, it's time to order groceries. May as well order some fish and chips. And ice cream, because it's warm out. Okay. I would order ice cream even if it wasn't warm out. Yes, I would. I like ice cream on hot or cold days. Okay? Link is in the bottom. I don't like the thing. I don't, where my mouth touches, I don't like it just out. I mean, a fly could have. Anyway. And I gotta tell you, they're right. They weren't lying. This thing stays cold for 2 days. I leave mine on my bedside because, through the night, the girls' mouth get dry, y'all. And I was absolutely surprised that it was still ice cold with no ice. I'm just not one of those people that like ice in my drinks. Even water, if it's cold already, Yep, everybody can have their own little piece of ketchup. Including the fish. So I should have made some tartar sauce. Okay, I should do. Shoot, my mind has been focused on. Are you slipping or something? lately my mind's been focused on my mom, her stuff, and getting that all my closets cleaned out. Something's coming, and I need to be ready. Where did we leave off from last time? Which is your best future? All of them. Oh, sorry. All of them. Okay, I'll just leave it unscrewed. Because I only do my best and I only receive the best. This is the one I'm going to take with me. I'm getting another one that's, 64 ounces. Which common saying or phrase describes you? Oh, we did that last time. Okay, here I am. Who is your favorite teacher and why? Oh my God. Elementary school was Mrs. West. She was short. And I've always been big, so I was taller than her. In 9th grade, Miss Madison. If you're watching this, I still think of you. This time I bought all vegan meat. And yeah, I even got the vegan fish sticks. No, these aren't vegan though. So that is the only thing that I bought that's not vegan. These are so good. I'm giving up my carbs for nothing. What was my favorite subject in school? Home ec. As you know, I love sewing and cooking. Well, it's a tie. Home ec and jewelry. That was fun. Good memory. What did you want to be when you grew up? A nurse, a go-to dancer, a lawyer, a counselor, which I pretty much am now. I wanted to be a lot of things. I mean, do we really have to just pick one thing? I don't think so. What's your favorite cheesy pickup line? Have you ever used it for real? I don't know if it's a cheesy pickup line. I usually just tell men or women, hello there, beautiful. Thank you for my smile. Something crazy like that. Is that really a pickup line? What would be your perfect job? Making jewelry. Have you ever won a trophy or medal? Yeah. Back in when I was cheerleader, tall flags, drill team. Yeah. I would always win awards for my poetry. I completely forgot about that. Well, actually, let me go back. My perfect job would be the other thing that I do now, teaching people how to use their gifts, their spiritual gifts. No, but who is the most inspirational person to you? Oh my gosh, just one? I don't have just one, so I'm not going to answer. Other than my mom, of course. Her mom. I mean, come on. It's a lot better. Excuse me. What is the best praise or advice you've received? Maya Angelou. When people show you who they are, believe them. What do I do? Because now, I'm not the type of person who says, oh, well, he didn't mean it, she didn't mean it. Yeah, they did. Bye. The first time. Not the 25th time. Oh, really good. And then, of course, there's Jan Van Zant. Call a thing a thing. A lot of mentors. Skip Ross, and if you're still watching this, if you're watching this, Skip Ross, know that I remember you from way back in 1985 in Amway. Do what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, whether you like it or not. That is so true. Okay. So beautiful. Breezy, as you can hear, because you know I got the windows open. Just right. It's so beautiful, you guys. I wish you were here. Okay, one more question we go. Did you ever keep a New Year's resolution? Of course. I'm the most important person in my life. I have to keep my word to myself all the time. Not on a New Year's. Every single day. And if you can't keep your word to yourself, what good are you to me? Resolutions. We resolve to keep trying to resolve. It's crazy. Just like Lent. I understand. I don't understand people. They say, I'm going to do this for Lent or whatever holiday season time, whatever, and they don't. So hey, you're only as good a person as you are to yourself. And if you can't keep your word to yourself, that's pretty crappy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you to each and every one of you for being here. Without you, I could not be here. You know what I meant. You knew. I see you laughing. What the heck you laughing at me for? Okay, 16 minutes. We can have one more. If you could have one wish come true, what would it be? Oh my God. Oh. My one wish would be to take all the children out of fucked up parenting homes. You know, those parents that, oh, I forgot the baby in the car. You forgot something that you pushed out of your body. And even for the men, you forgot something that you helped push out of her body. So I would buy tons and tons and tons of hotels, clean them, gut them, hire doctors and nurses and lawyers and teachers to teach them right there. I'd buy buses so the kids could go from the country to the city, wherever I lived, to the opposite place. So we see how it is to grow our own vegetables, and we see how it is to have a maitre d' bring us our water or wine or whatever, you know? So they have both aspects and not just see life from one perspective and say, okay, well, this is all I know, so this is all I'm going to do or be. No. Catch the bus into the city, have dinner at a nice fancy restaurant. All of them, all 200 of them. Okay, well, of course, we have to take turns probably because we have the appropriate buses, of course, but probably not the appropriate seating. So, yeah, that's my wish. I love you. Mwah.